Hi, my name is Amelia, and today I will guide you through depositing USDT on Trendify. Log into your Trendify account. Go to Deposit tab. You can deposit using USDT BEP20, USDT TRC20, USDT Matic Polygon. Select your preferred USDT blockchain network. I'm selecting USDT BEP20. Click on Deposit Now. Transfer the amount on the given address. The minimum deposit limit is $10. Enter the correct amount. Click Choose File and upload transaction slip. Input your PIN and click Deposit Now. You can use the same method for USDT, TRC20, and USDT Matic Polygon. Your deposit will be verified within 5 minutes. Once approved, the funds will be added to your wallet balance. Thank you so much for watching.